What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find out how many solutions we have for the quadratic equation. So we want to find the number of solutions of a quadratic equations. So as you remember, when we are dealing with the quadratic equation, we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two solutions. If b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, we have one solution. And if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we have 0 solution. Let's see some example. First example is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 equals to 0. A is 2, b is 9, c is negative 5. So b squared minus 4ac will be 9 squared minus 4 times a times excuse me, c. So we have 81 plus 40, which is going to be 121, and it's greater than 0, so we have two solutions. Next one. Next one we have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 equals to 0. So a is 4, b is negative 20, c is 25. So answer, b squared minus 4ac will be negative 20 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a times c. Negative 20 to the power of 2 will be 400. And 4 times 4 is 16 times 25 will be 400. So 400 minus 400 is going to be 0, so we have one solution. Next example. We have 3x squared plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. A is 3, b is 2, c is 9. So answer is b squared, 2 squared, minus 4ac. So we have 4 minus 4 times 3, 12, times 9 will be 108. So that will be negative 104 is less than 0, so we have 0 solutions. Next example. We have 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. So b squared minus 4ac, that's the answer. So it's going to be negative 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a times c. That will be 9 minus 2 times 4, 8 times 6, 48. That will be negative 39, and it's less than 0. So we have no real solutions. Next example. We have 3x squared plus 7x minus 9 equals to 0. So p squared minus 4ac, b is 7, a is 3, c is negative 9. So that will be 49 plus, because negative times negative positive, so 4 times 3, 12, times 9, 108. So it's going to be 157, and it's greater than 0, so we have two real solutions. Next example. we have 5x squared plus x plus 4 equals to 0. We need to find a b squared minus 4ac. b is 1, so 1 squared minus 4, a is 5, c is 1, and c is 4. So it's going to be 1 minus 4 times 4, 16 times 5 is going to be 80. So we have negative 79. It's less than 0, so we have no real solution. Next example. We have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. So you have b squared minus 4ac. b is negative 6. The power of 2 minus 4ac. That will be 36 minus 36, which will be equal to 0. So we have only one real solution. Next example. We have 8x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. So b squared minus 4ac. b is negative 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 8 times 6. That would be 9 minus 4 times 8, 32 times 6 is going to be 192. That will be negative 183. And it is less than 0, so we have no real solution. Next example. We have 5x squared plus 6x minus 2 equals to 0. We need to find b squared minus 4ac. b is 6, a is 5, and c is negative 2. That will be 36 plus 40. Why? Because 6 squared is 36. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Negative 20 times negative 2 will be positive 40. So that will be 76, and it's greater than 0. So we have two real solutions. Next example. We have 9x squared plus 24x plus 16 equals to 0. So we need to find out b squared minus 4ac. b is 24. 4 times a, 9 times 16. That will be 24 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 9 times 16 will be 0. So we have one real solution. Next example. We have x squared plus 7x minus 13 equals to 0. So b squared minus 4ac. b is 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 13. That will be 49 plus 52. Will be 101, and it's greater than 0. We have two real solutions. Next example. We have 5x squared plus 10 minus 6x equals to 0. So here a is 5, b is negative 6, so be careful about it. That's the coefficient for x. So b is negative 6 and c is 10. So b squared minus 4ac is negative 6 to the power of 2 minus 4. So 36 minus 200. That will be negative 164 is less than 0, and we have no real solution. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and share this video if you found it useful. You can also subscribe it to have access to all these videos and playlists. Thank you for watching and have a great day.